Hey credit heroes, are you struggling to find new clients? Well, today that's about to change because I'm going to share 6 ways to market your business that work for everyone, even beginners. So you better stick around.
My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets.
In the 20 years since releasing my first credit repair software, I have helped thousands of businesses build from the ground up. During that time, I faced many of the same challenges that you're facing, but I discovered proven ways to overcome them, to grow, and to succeed. In my experience, most credit heroes follow a similar path. They learn their craft by fixing their own credit, then they start helping friends and family, and then they turn these new skills into a business, but then they immediately panic because they can't find any new clients. They know how to repair credit, but not how to market their service. And they start to realize that these are 2 very different things, and both are equally important to the success of their business. It's like that old saying, if a tree falls in the woods and no one hears it, did it make a sound? Well, if a business has great service, but no one knows about it, does it help them? Unfortunately, it doesn't. The good news is there are a ton of creative and fun ways to market your business that really work, and many of them are free and beginner friendly. If you're new to the business and you're feeling stressed about finding clients, don't worry. That's normal. Most new companies can't afford to pay for advertising, and that is normal. So it's perfectly fine to find cheap and creative marketing solutions. The key is to identify your target market, choose a strategy you believe in, give it your best effort, and know that mistakes are going to happen, so be ready to change if anything doesn't work. Here's how this relates to us. Just because credit repair sells itself doesn't mean that your business will too. You still have to put serious effort into your marketing strategies, and you still have to get your audience's attention and create messaging that convinces them to choose you over the competition. If that sounds simple, well, it kind of is. But that doesn't mean it's easy. You can make some big mistakes because of marketing, and I've learned that the hard way. About 20 years ago, when my business was just a little download, a marketing mentor told me that if I wanted to sell my software, I needed to go all in on a massive TV ad campaign. I didn't really like the idea, but I didn't know any better, so I listened to him. And I borrowed $150,000 against my house. I dressed up like a doctor. I called myself the credit doctor, and I spent all that money on TV commercials. And guess what happened? It failed miserably. No one bought it. I flushed all that money away because I trusted a marketing expert when I should have trusted my own instincts. At that point, I could have given up. I was dead broke. I was in a pile of debt, but I accepted the mistake and I changed my strategy. I had no choice but to get creative, to keep it simple, and to spend nothing. So what I did was I started a blog, and I wrote every night until the sun came up. And can you guess what happened this time? Well, that blog became the most successful marketing campaign that I've ever had, and it was free, and those articles are still driving traffic to Credit Repair Cloud. Here's the thing to remember. There are 2 key factors that will influence your early marketing strategies. The first is the Credit Repair Organizations Act, otherwise known as CROA. It's the federal law that regulates how you can market your business. It prohibits companies from making false or misleading claims and requires you to provide clients with certain disclosures for things like service fees. So before you launch your marketing campaign, remember to review CROA and learn how it applies to you. The second key factor is your target market. Here's why this is important. There are so many different marketing options, but the fastest way to success is to study your market and choose a target. It's estimated that more than 53 million Americans need to improve their credit. But how many of those people live near you? What specific problems do they have, and how will you help to solve them? Well, if you try to speak to all 53 million at once, your messaging will probably be generic and vague, and it probably won't connect in a meaningful way. So do your research and learn the demographics of your area. And this will enable you to identify the best market opportunity, and it'll help you to choose your target. Your target will help to choose your strategy for you. For example, if there's a large group of millennials with student loan debt in your area, you might want to focus on a social media campaign that talks about easing the burden of that debt. And that type of messaging will have a better chance of connecting. Now, if I'm making this all sound very serious, I want you to know that marketing is actually a whole lot of fun. Good marketing is all about making connections, and there are very simple ways to do that, even if you're just starting out. Here's what you need to know. There are 6 proven strategies to market your business that work for everyone, even beginners. Number 1 is client referrals. Whether it's a friend, a family member, or a paying client, personal recommendations are gold. Happy customers love sharing their experiences, and you can turn each of them into a walking billboard for your business. If you're just starting and doing credit repair work for free, encourage your clients to tell their friends about your excellent service. Set up online business listings and have them review you. Ask them to share results on social media and make a testimonial that you can post. You can even offer an incentive for every referral that they send you. A solid client referral system is one of the easiest and most consistent ways to market your business and get new clients. Number 2 is good old-fashioned networking. Get out of the house, get out of your comfort zone, and go and meet people. Go to local events. It doesn't even have to be credit repair related. It just has to be a place where you can engage with your community and promote your business. You can also join professional credit repair organizations or workshops or groups related to what we do. The more people that you know in the field or in related fields, the more you gain credibility, and they can turn into affiliate partnerships. Number 3 is affiliate partnerships. These are win-win business relationships with professionals in related fields that share a similar target audience but provide a totally different service. Auto dealers are excellent affiliate partners because they interact with a lot of credit-challenged customers. See, most people who walk into their dealership, they're going to be turned away due to credit issues. Each time they deny a potential customer because of a low credit score, instead of losing out on a sale, they can refer that customer to you. And then you can repair their credit, and eventually when they do qualify for the car loan, you can refer them back to the dealership, and they are going to love that. Number 4 is content marketing. Here you create and share free, entertaining, or educational credit repair content on the channels most used by your target audience. Your potential clients, they watch the content, they see you as a trusted authority, and then they'll want to hire you. If you have a website, you can post success stories and results. You can host seminars on Facebook Live or write LinkedIn articles. You can post credit tips on Instagram or credit bureau memes on TikTok. It really depends on the audience you want and how you want to present yourself. Whatever content you create to promote your business, just remember, it doesn't have to sound like an ad, but it does need to stand on its own as a valuable piece of content, or people are going to scroll past it. So take it seriously, do it well, and do it often. The most successful credit heroes that I know, they post a minimum of 3 times a day. Number 5 is a resource landing page. In addition to a website, you can build a web page that provides a free resource that potential clients can download in exchange for their email address. These landing pages can showcase your services, highlight your expertise, and act as an entry point for a sales funnel and email nurture campaigns. Just make sure that the page is user-friendly, visually appealing, mobile-friendly, and that it provides a simple way for potential clients to reach out and contact you. Number 6 is search engine optimization. Your SEO measures where your website ranks when people search credit repair terms and phrases. If your website makes it to the top of a Google search, then you get the most clicks. If you move up or down in the ranking, then your traffic will rise or fall. There are plenty of ways to improve your SEO that won't even cost you much, if anything. There are online tools that audit your site and make suggestions, and there are YouTube tutorials that can teach you how to make changes. Whether you use one of these marketing methods or all 6, you need to track the results, pay attention to what's working, and change what isn't. You can learn more about these strategies by going to creditrepaircloud.com/free training and signing up for our masterclass. The masterclass includes 6 months of our Credit Repair Cloud software and in-depth credit repair marketing courses. Here's my final point. Your marketing strategy is one of the most important parts of your business, but you don't have to spend a penny to find new clients. Just identify your target market, choose a strategy that you believe in, and give it your all. And that's the best that any company can do, large or small. And I'll end by saying, if you want to learn more secrets to growing your credit repair business, check out my episode, Top 5 Credit Repair Affiliates. And if you'd like to get certified in disputing and gain confidence and grow your credit repair business, check out our Credit Hero Challenge. Doors are closing very soon, so sign up right now at creditherochallenge.com and keep changing lives.